Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe an individual contact from receiving emails in HubSpot. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once you're on the page, log into your HubSpot account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can access all of HubSpot's features and tools. After logging in, direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. Look for the option labeled CRM and click on it. This will expand a submenu with various CRM-related options. From this submenu, click on Contacts. This section houses all of your contact information and allows you to manage individual contact preferences, including email subscriptions. Once you're in the Contacts area, you'll see a list of all your contacts displayed on the screen. Browse through the list and locate the specific contact you want to unsubscribe from receiving emails. Click directly on their name to open their detailed contact profile. This profile contains all the information HubSpot has stored about this particular contact, including their communication preferences and engagement history. Now that you're viewing the contact's profile, look toward the top of the page just above their name. You'll see a button labeled Actions. Click on this button to reveal a drop-down menu with various actions you can perform for this contact. These actions allow you to modify their status, update their information, or change their communication settings. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on the option that says Opt out of email. This is the specific action that will unsubscribe this contact from your email communications. Selecting this option tells HubSpot that this contact should no longer receive marketing or promotional emails from your account. After clicking Opt out of email, a confirmation message will appear on your screen. HubSpot wants to make sure you're certain about this action since it will affect the contact's ability to receive emails from you. This confirmation step prevents accidental opt-outs and ensures you're making an intentional change to the contact's status. In the confirmation window, click the button that says Yes, opt them out. This confirms your decision and finalizes the process. Once you click this, HubSpot will immediately update the contact's email subscription status and they will no longer receive emails from your account going forward. And that's it. You've successfully unsubscribed an individual contact from receiving emails in HubSpot. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.